How to create multi-level lists in Microsoft Word. Simply select items you want to put on the list with your mouse, highlight them like that, and then be sure you are in the Home tab, the very first tab here, where we can see three options for listing. The first one is just a simple bullet point list. The second one is a number list, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the third option, that's the one we need today, multi-level list. Before you click on it, you can actually click this little triangle instead next to it. So you got this pop-up when you can select a style. So you will see like the first level got like number, second level got like letter, and third level got like letter. Or many of you need this style. We got 1, then it's 1.1, and then it's 1.1.1. So we got only numbers. So you can choose the style you like. You can even define new style. So you click on that. It will give you a chance to create the format for each level you need. So for example, level 1 is a number. I will change that number with dot and spacebar. Okay. Level 2. This will be a number from level 1. So I'm going to change it here. Take a look on this list. I can get it a number. So this will be 1.1 from the first one. Okay, so we can do all of those adjustments here if you are a more advanced user, or simply cancel that, select the one that is ready to use. Here it is. Okay, everything got a number at front now, but how we can move certain items to another layer, right? So how we can make them like secondary items. Let me zoom in a bit. So we simply press tab. So position yourself at front here and press tab on your keyboard. That's now 1.1. Then goes to number 2. I press tab. That's 1.2. I can even move to the next one, 1.3. And if I press tab again, take a look. That will be a next level again already. If I press backspace, I'm back to the second level. I press backspace, I'm back to the level number 1. So this way you can create a multi-level lists like that, and be sure that you adjust the way they are numbered. Here we got several presets, but we can also define our brand new presets if you are a more advanced user. All right, so that's how easy it is. Select text and then select the third option here for multi-level listing. When you got control how the list will be displayed. Then we use tab to move it to a level down, or we use backspace like we want to delete the letter to move it back to the certain level. All right, that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.